If you're looking for an easy way to get science into your daily homeschooling activities, I have a wonderful resource to share with you from Evan-Moor. If you go to TeacherFileBox.com and click on Browse by Title, we're going to select D to find a list of the series of dailies that are included in your TeacherFileBox subscription. And so we're going to scroll down to find Daily Science. So we're going to scroll down here and find the Daily Science for grade 3, and we're going to see what's included in this particular grade level by clicking on the green triangle. And you can see a list of all of the different units that are included in this publication. There are 30 weeks of activities, and they're organized by big idea. There are 6 big ideas, and each big idea has 5 weeks of lessons. So let's see what it looks like. So let's click on this first one. And you can see that there's a list of what is included for each day. It's already done for you. And we're going to click on this graphic to see exactly what that looks like before we choose which pages we want to print. Now, I love how this is organized. It's just so nice for a busy homeschool mom to have everything already laid out for us, and each of these lessons build on each other. So you can see the big idea here is that living things have adaptations that help them survive in their own environment. And this week, we're going to just focus on one part of that, of why do flowers have different colors and scents. So there's a little overview for you, and then here's your lesson plan for each day. There are 5 days of lesson plans right there, already prepared for you. When you click Next, you can then see here's the student page. It has their big idea, number 1 right here, week 1, so it's very easy for them to follow along. And there's a question they're going to be answering in different ways all week. Why do flowers have different colors and scents? So there's a little bit of information, and then there's a quick response for the kids to do. This literally takes less than 10 minutes for us to do, and so it's just so easy and so nice for us to be able to think about science and get science weaved into our homeschool day in just a few minutes. I'm going to scroll through here and show you that each page has its own day, but then at the end there's another bonus resource for parents and teachers. It talks a little bit more about big idea number 1, that we talked about the living things have adaptations that help them survive in their environment. There's some key concepts. If you are keeping track of national standards, it gives you that national standard there, but it gives you some more information and some teaching points that you might want to bring up. As well as it gives you a unit overview. Remember I told you there were 5 weeks in this particular big idea. It gives you the overview and the vocabulary that you're going to be focusing on each week. The last page of this unit is the answer key. So this is so easy to follow, no prep, and it just helps the kids think about science a little bit every day. And I personally especially like how it's including their thinking and logic skills as well. So if you have more questions about this particular resource of Daily Science from Evan-Moor, or if you would like more information about TeacherFileBox.com, you're welcome to leave a comment below this video or head over to TeacherFileBox.com.